squeezed in here kind of tight, guys. I can't get too much better view from the side. She is definitely, oh, look at this bed. Holy cow. Woo! Wow. Let's see if we can get you back here, get a little better view of it. Yeah, I know we got a little bit of a glare there. Definitely got Restomod written all over it. That is a really nice straight body on this car. Nice paint job. This truck, I mean. Man, check out that air conditioning. That's cool. And let's see what we got here.
Is that the actual? What? So the V8 is the engine motor. What does that mean? What's that?
Should have got mirrors.
I know. We'll have to get mirrors. Yeah.